Where are you? Yeah. She is a top model, India 2023, Miss Globe, India 2023, and this saree I have painted on Ghumar dance, on Rajasthani culture. And she is going for an international this competition of Miss Globe. So you all bless her so that our country wins. She is going now to Albania. So bless her. She is a surgeon, second year. 1, 2, 3 you can write down. No need of the names. We'll be announcing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And we are giving you the sheets now. On Sankranti, the topic is Sankranti. And she is a beautician. She has been doing art and craft since many years. Okay. Show your sari. She is a very good art and craft teacher and she has done many exhibitions. This is on the festival Sankranti, our culture, and the sari is also our tradition. So we want to bring our tradition and culture back. So we are showing it on the stage. She is a very good artist and she has done many shows. She is a teacher, art teacher, and she's been doing many exhibitions. A very professional artist from Bombay. She is a creative artist. She is a fine art student. Then the next participant, Hema Nalini Garu. Please come on the stage. Yeah. She is also a professional artist and she has done painting with fabric colors. The nature. On nature she has done. Nature and beauty. She is number 3, okay? Number 4, Sri Devi Sri Mantlu. Sri Devi Garu, please come on the stage. She is a gold medalist from JNTU, a very senior artist, very creative artist, and she has done many art shows. She is a teacher also. She has done on Pichwai art and she has done on Radha Krishna, on Pallu. A very senior and a professional eminent artist. Hema Malini Vemanna. No. Hema Malini, please come. She is a Fevicryl teacher and she is also a very, she has lot of experience on art and craft. Since many years she has been a Fevicryl teacher and she has done very beautiful artwork on music. Arifa. She is a Hampstead student and she has done the peacocks, our national bird, on her sari.
Steve is number 6. Saifa number 6 for the judges.
Yeah. Yeah, you tell the numbers. I tell about Seema gaya. Seema gaya. Seema gaya. Seema. Seema, please come. Yeah. She is from Pune. She is a professional eminent artist and she has done with dye colors. It took almost more than 3 months for her sari and she has done Radha Krishna on her sari.
Seema Gaya, contestant number 7 for scoring. Number 7.
Manisha Shah. Manisha Shah. She is a school teacher, art teacher, and she has done on Radha Krishna on her sari and contestant number.
Manisha, contestant number 8.
She is a senior artist and she has lot of experience. Now, Dr. Sripati Garu. Sripati Garu, please come on the stage. The special music for him. He has done the village theme. Yeah. Clap, clap, let's hear. Dhoti Kurta. He is an eminent artist. Bigger clap because we have very few male models. All the men in the house, more clap.
Contestant number 9. Contestant number 9. Sripati Garu. Sri Lakshmi is contestant number 10.
Yeah.
10.
She has done on Lakshmi Devi. She is a housewife and she has a passion for art. Since childhood, she is very much interested in art and craft. She has done many artworks, but for sari, with my force, she has started this. Next. Aruna Garu, P. Aruna Garu from Guntur,
Number 11.
she is from Hampstead and she is a very good artist too. She has done on Radha Krishna theme. She is from Guntur and I thank all the artists, those who have come from other states. Akshaya. Akshaya Jalaka. This is participant number 12. She is from Vijayawada. She is a Hampstead student and she has a boutique in Vijayawada.
As you all can see, you are seeing a lot of senior artists and also budding artists. These are budding artists who are students.
And she has done on Kondapalli Bommalu,
Yeah.
the art on Kondapalli Bommalu. So show once again your pallu. Yeah. Neha Jain.
Neha Jain is number 13. 1313.
Neha Jain, she is a very good professional artist and she has done many shows and she has done on Gond art. She is a very good Gond artist and she has a speciality in this art. It is one of the Indian art forms.
Let's keep hearing the clap. How will we encourage them? All right, the next is Amrita. Amrita, participant 14, number 14. Can we have Amrita? You certainly look like a student. Look at the beautiful aanchal and the color combination. Let's look at the aanchal. Beautiful. Contestant number 14. Looks like Madhubani painting with lotuses, right?
Pratibha Dal. Pratibha ji, yeah, please come. She is a teacher in school and a very good artist too. She has done on Kerala murals.
15, contestant number 15, 15.
Mokshaja, 16. She is a student from SV College and she is also a very good artist. This SV College students, they have an Instagram account and they are doing very well on art.
Which one?
Mokshaja.
Mokshaja 16, number 16, 16.
Lavanya. She is a homemaker, she is an IT engineer and she has been doing job in IT and now she is a homemaker and doing many art works at home, oils, acrylic and all. She has a lot of passion for art.
Lavanya number 17, 17.
Shilpa Devata Lingam. Yeah. She is also a very good professional artist and she has done on all the art forms in India on her sari. She has done Kerala murals, then all the other art forms showing the whole Indian culture.
18, number 18.
The Tanjore, all the art forms she has done on her sari. Whatever art forms are there in India, she has done all the art forms. Number 19, Kusum Parmar, she is from Bombay, a very senior and professional artist. She has been teaching art and she has done on Pichwai art. Y. Rajesh.
Rajesh, Y. Rajesh.
Participant number 20. He works in an handloom, he does handloom works and he has done this art on his kurta and dhoti. He is also a professional artist. Y Saundarya.
Number 21, Y Saundarya.
She is also a Hamstead student and she has done artwork on Indian art and culture, the different dance forms.
देवांशी हो गया, समीर शाह हो गया, वो तो देवांशी.
Beena Arun, she is contestant number 24. She is from Cochin and she has done on this tantra, the Kundalini. She is from Kerala and she is a professional artist and she has been doing many shows.
Number 24.
This is number 24.
Beena Arun,
Yes, 24, yeah. 24, yeah. 22, 24, 24.
24. I'll call out the number.
This is a Kundalini art.
क्या है?
I tried to paint Bhairava Tantra, where during the Chakri Puja there is a position called Maithuna, where the Kundalini is in the highest peak level. I tried to depict that picture. Here Kundalini is represented by this golden snake.
Amma has already spoken about her. She is a musician, she is a dancer, and she does, I have seen her sarees before also. She does very well. She has done on nature. The subject is nature.
अभी आपका है ना, आपका 27 है.
She is 25, okay? Now is Sita Amma's, Sita Shastri, Mrs. Sita Shastri's saree. As I told you, it's her art. She is not to be competed or judged, so just leave it blank. Yeah, she is a special artist. Rupashri, yeah. She is a Hamstead student and the Hamstead people, they all do very well, and she has done on the village art, the village scenes on her saree. The number is Rupashri, 31.
31. Rupashri, 31.
पता नहीं, देख लेना. Now the number 28, Sheetal. She is also from outstation. She has done on the ladies theme, the Bonalu Pandaga, and you can see the festival Bonalu, the Dashera, goddess Durga Puja festival. Rajita, 29, Rajantina. Yeah. She is actually the daughter. She has worn the saree. She has done on the festival, Bonalu, and she is the artist, Rajita Gar. Yeah. The saree worn by her daughter, Bonalu Pandaga. Vijay. K. Vijay Lakshmi. Garu. She is a farmer and art passion she has lot. She has come from Vijayawada, a special artist, one of the special artists from among us. She is a farmer and అన్నదాత అంటారు కదా, సో అన్నదాతే కాదు ఆవిడ మంచి ప్యాషన్, మంచి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ మా ఆర్టిస్టులందరికీ కూడా.
Number 30, special applause for ma'am.
She is actually we have given her the special award, so she is also not in the competition. We have already given her. Sri Lata. She is from Hampstead College. And she has done a beautiful work of Nandi.
31. 31.
What is the work of? Just tell about.
I'm inspired by Kanjos.
32. The model has worn the sari and she is a senior artist, watercolor artist, and she has done fine arts and she has done on village art, the nature. Yeah. Number. Seema Subedar. Just wait. Seema Subedar. 32.
Sudhakar Garu from Bangalore. With a big round of applause.
Yeah, not for judging.
Not for judging.
She is not in the competition. We have given her the special award.
And the painting depicts the Telugu poetry. So she's come all the way from Bangalore.
She is from Bangalore. Varshita, 33. Varshita, she is from SV College. Varshita. She has done the all art forms of Durga Devi.
Women empowerment.
Yeah.
She specially came and told me, Komal, you must call about women empowerment represented
Yeah,
by the
women,
Mati Durga.
on the women art forms, she has done all the women, showing the strength of women, the Shakti of women, the Adi Shakti.
This was 33.
Grishma, 34. She is also from SV College. She has done on the all art forms of Indian art forms and she is a very good artist. They have an account in Instagram and they are doing very well.
I can also see flying kites in the painting with the charkha. How beautiful.
Angelica. Yeah, 35. Angelica. She is a budding artist from high school.
Special applause from me because she is wearing sneakers in a sari. I love the new gen. Big round of applause. I think she is the youngest artist.
Participant in our group. She is 17 years old. Our eldest participant is 86 and the youngest one is 70.
Wow. This was 35. Angelica, 35.
Kritika.
Number 36. Kritika, number 36.
She is a Hampstead student. SVC, okay. Santa Maria, okay. She is also a youngest artist.
She is Sona's disciple, I must say, Sona.
Yeah. They are the young youth of 17 years old.
This was Kritika, number 36. Just to
Yeah.
repeat.
Maitri,
Maitri, number 37.
Maitri is from Santa Maria, and she is the most loved child. She really loves doing hap and pop art. You can see it on a sari. She has made the goggle woman, and she is wearing that red goggle on her head as well.
Lovely, lovely. This is the new generation. Love it.
She has done porcelain art on the sari. She is a very senior artist. She does porcelain art and many art forms. A very good art and craft teacher. She has done porcelain art on jute. She has attached jute to the sari. Porcelain art on sari with jute. So it's a special and a different variety of art. She is not in a competition because she is a senior artist. We have already given her special award for that. But you can give the marks. Bindu is from Bangalore. Number 39. Number 39. She has done on weavers art and the weaving of, she was inspired by weavers. Pranav.
Pranav is from Santa Maria. He is my student, and he really loves painting, and he really does very good sketching. You can see his dhoti, it's painted.
This is Pranav, number 40.
And Pratyusha Satyaraju. She is from JNTU Fine Arts College.
41.
Yeah. She has done on what art she has done?
Bapu art. Safiya.
This is Bapu art. What?
This is Babu Arts. I'm a big fan of him actually. I made it like it is Rama Pattabhishekam and all. And here are some Radhani Krishna and Sita Rama.
Up there, up there. I will tell you. Bapu art is actually known for its outlining, the way it is done. They use fine lines. Please come on the stage.
42.
She has done on dhoti kurta for her son.
So this is the mother and the child walking.
इसका है और दूसरा देवांशी और समीक्षा.
Devanshi and Samisha, please come.
हाँ दीपिका.
1 minute. Deepika.
This is Safia and son. 40.
Yeah. On Dashavtaras. Madhubani art in Dashavtara art forms on her sari. On Pallu she has done Dashavtaras, and the whole sari is painted in that style. There are peacocks on the sari, borders, sari border.
Number 43.
And she is a drawing and school teacher. She has done drawing course and a professional artist.
This is number 43. That what we saw was Deepika. 43. Number 44. This is Chitra Chandrika is the name of the artist, and the one who is walking is Chitra Chandrika's brother. This is number 44. Chitra is not present here, but she has sent her brother. Yes. 44. Do we have any other artists? Any other artists who are remaining? representing Aparna Fine Arts. And this painting is Ajanta, as you can see. This is not for judging. This is not for judging, as they are the official presenters. Aparna, founder of Aparna Fine Arts. Now let's put your hands together for Sona Kapoor. Sona, please come. I'll just talk about this. Sona Kapoor, founder of Pollen Arts. This, what you would see painting, is the Pichwai art. And please pay attention to the archel. It has 24 karat gold. Can we see that? If you can see in the painting, the one glittering is 24 karat gold leaf. That is the work along with the Pichwai work. Very beautiful.
Even after washing, this will not go. It's a special kind made for the sari.
Together, let's hear a big round of applause. Pollen Arts founder Sona and Aparna Fine Arts, Aparna herself, who have put this show together, who have designed this show together. A big round of applause for them in collaboration with Kala Vahini. You are Kala Vahini. Please give a good pose with your archels and the painting so we can see. After the photographs. Okay, here's the mic.
See, this is Apsara. When Buddha was born, she came to earth. This one, the down part, and this is the princess and the maid with her. And this is the lotus and elephant design of Ajanta, which is very famous. And I love Ajanta very much. It is of 3rd century art in the caves. And now,
To be very frank, I did not have much time, so I thought of doing Pichwai because I love Pichwai. I love the colors, the way the lotuses are done. I love the texture and the anatomy of the animals and the flowers in Pichwai art. So that's why I thought I can carry on with this for now. Next time when I have a show, I'll work in detail, like Sitamma.
this is actually my old work. The new work my daughter Dr. Aishwarya wore. It was on the Ghumar dance, the village Ghumar dance of Rajasthan. She is not there. She has left for her flight. So now we'll call the guests to walk with us. The guests who have come. Prasanna Ma, please come. And Alka Manoj, please come on the stage. All the guests, please come.
As we all know, she has displayed that on her sari. Please have a look at it.
Any artist who want to speak about the artwork, they can speak. Just okay. First, later. Judges, please come on the stage. Yeah.